welcome back to my channel. Kiana here, and I'm going to show you I'm going to show you my 10 favorite backyard birds that I think that's cute. That's the cutest. This video is based on my opinion. You might have a different opinion, but without further ado, I'm going to search up on this phone and show them to you. So let's get started. So I gotta type down the first bird. The first bird is called chickadees. And this is what the chickadee looks like. And this one is called the black-caped chickadee. There's other species of the chickadee, and they make so much different calls. One of them is called Phoebe, and the Phoebe call, and it sounds so pretty. And males make that call for when the females nest or something like that. So my second one is cardinals, but where I live, there's no cardinals, and the bright red ones, which in this one is a male cardinal. I'll show you a picture of a female one. So here's the difference. The gray one is the female one, and the red one is the male. And the yellow cardinal is actually very, very rare. And cardinals are basically normally in North America area. Up where I am, there's no cardinals at all. So the third one is a blue jay. And I think they are so cute. The way they bob it up and down when they squawk, and they actually save other birds like chickadees, for example. And I think it's very interesting, and the shades of blue is so pretty on them. And I like how they take care of their little babies. And they're also part of the crow family. I don't think crows are cute, but I think the blue jays are. So next bird is called this one is a gray jay, and I really love this bird. This is the fourth one. Sorry, I had the case in my mouth. And I think it's just so pretty. I like the shades of gray and white on it. And I never saw them where I live, but up by my nan's I saw them. So yeah, so it's probably different parts of Newfoundland. Shoot, I said the province where I lived. Oh well. At least I didn't say what part of the province. Alright, the next bird that I'm going to show you. That's a pet bird, isn't it? Sorry, guys. What's the other? I showed you 4. Gray jay, cardinal, blue jay, and chickadee. And I'm trying to think which other ones to show you. Ooh. Alright, this one is the American robin, and I find they make beautiful sounds, and I like the red tummies. They're so cute. So that's the 5th one. Now we got 5 more to show you. Sorry. Got another one. Another one I really likes is the hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. I'll show you a better picture than that one. So pretty, guys. The hummingbird is very pretty. They're not up where I live either. So yeah. There's another picture. So then that was number 6. Number 7. Ow. Sorry. Can't get you now. Oh. A second. What's the first one called?
How do you define cute birds that I thought to be
What's the name of the first bird in this video?
It was no
1
easy
second,
task.
guys. There's a
Please
bird
keep
in this
mind that
video
these
that I
are
like.
birds I find to be the cutest. You may not agree, and that is perfectly fine. You can comment below what your top 10 would be, measuring just 4 to 5 inches.
American goldfinches. There we go. They're so cute. Alright, this one is called the American goldfinch. And I love these birds. They're so cute, but they're not up where I live either. Sadly. And here's a male one. The male ones are light or bright yellow. Okay. And then
Measuring just the goldfinches and the Gulf and South because they seem to show up to feed different subspecies of dark pink seeds around. How oftentimes even attacking jays.
So that was number 7. Number 8, this is called a household finch, and they're not up where I live here. This one's a male. The red ones are the male, and the gray, I meant to say, not green. Gray ones are the female. And they're not up where I live once again because a lot of these birds are not up where I live. Just pretty much the black-capped chickadee and the blue jay and the gray jay. That's pretty much it. Oh, and the robin. Can't forget the basic robin. So that was number 8. 2 more birds. Let's see. Oh, another one. This bird is called a sparrow. I love these birds. I think they're here too. So that's number 9. Number 10 would be... Now I'm just looking for number 10, guys. Where did the eye? 1 second. Number 10 is going to be... So this bird is called the woodpecker. I likes the woodpeckers. Another one that I likes. So that's number 10. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. I'm sorry it's not the best bird video. I could make it better if I had like a real camera, but I just got my phones to record. So anyways, enjoy your spare time, and bye.